Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, seems like the markets are burning right now. They literally are, not only crypto, like all markets. And yeah, what are we seeing here on the Link chart? The Link chart is still in a support region. I am skeptical about whether it will hold support. Most coins have not held support. As I said many times, Link actually seems to be one of the, let's say, best charts still, you know, obviously with the exception of Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana maybe, and then Link was holding support quite well. It still is holding. $6.90 is, however, the last reliable support here that we have for this 1-2 setup. And then down there, the $4.99 level, or let's call it $4.90 level, is going to be the invalidation point. Actually, I should move the red line to this level, because this is the invalidation point for the bullish scenario. 1 second. Don't wanna delete that. So, and what we can take out is that larger box. That was the larger box for the, you could say, the bear market. Okay, are we still in the bear market? I mean, if we have to break, if we break below support, I would assume that. Okay, that's what it's for. Okay, that's what the support area is for. There always has to be a level that keeps us safe, and the level here is $6.90, and below that level, I mean, that is sort of, I don't want to say subjective, but it's, you have some wiggle room below that level. But the invalidation point, as per the rules of market structure, that's the $4.90 level. Let's call it $4.95, I think. It depends on the exchange a little bit, but it's the swing low that formed in June last year. So that's the formal invalidation point. Let's talk about the bullish and bearish scenarios here. The bullish one is unchanged. So we have a wave 4 low in June 23. But we would need a pretty immediate turnaround. Highly skeptical about whether this is going to play out. The trend is still down. We didn't get any confirmation that this wave 2 already bottomed, as I said to you before. That's why it's always so important to watch for 5 waves up and see how the market does react to these pivots. But if we see only 3 wave corrective rallies, there is no confirmation that a low is in place. The yellow count here was discussed before. That's the bearish count. It gets more into focus. That will come into play below $6.90, more specifically below $4.95. It's the count where we have a wave 1 to the downside into the May lows of 2022. A wave 2 corrective rally that was a flat correction, and we're now in a third wave down, and it would be an ABC structure, that third wave, like the wave 1 is as well. So it is a diagonal pattern in this case to the downside, at least based on what I can see right now. And it could send us down to, I mean, if we want to put a target on the chart for this third wave to the downside, we are looking for, well, I'd say $1.30 to, I mean, $2.29 will be next support then. $2.29 will be next support. And then we just need to see where we, but basically it means below $4.95, $2.29 will be next support. And then we can follow this scenario further. I will not take the white count of the chart until we really break below the June low of last year. Now let's go to the smaller time frames. Oh dear, I've got too many charts open really. Just quickly. The main benefit of the micro count is and has always been to give us an indication of whether the market is bottomed. Here, this was a 3-wave rally, as you will remember if you watched previous videos. No sign of a low in place. This was a 3-wave rally, if you remember. No sign of a low in place. It needed a break above $15 to get a first indication that a low is in place. Not sure why it doesn't load my watch list here today. Trying to catch my words here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, as you can imagine, it's a busy day. This is the idea still. It could still be this wave 2 correction, yes. But the main benefit here is to understand where is resistance. So as long as we don't break above $10.64 in 5 waves, there is no low in place. Same what I told you here. The rally was only in 3 waves. Same that I told you here. The rally was only in 3 waves. Lower prices to be expected, at least considered, as long as we hold below resistance. So what is resistance at the moment? It will change, because this third could still go down lower. There's no sign of a low in place. Next support is at $6.90. But as long as we stay below $10.64, expect lower prices, either in a still unfolding larger wave 2 correction or in the more bearish scenario. There could be a relief rally could come soon. And, you know, if you want to exit positions, you might want to use that. I will certainly look at the chart when we get the next relief ready and just check if I want to exit positions. Now that Bitcoin is broken below 50,600, but I'm going to wait for a relief rally or something, I think. So that's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.